Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video we are going to be unboxing and doing a demo of December's Ipsy. I just got upgraded to the wait list, so hopefully I will be getting that Glam Plus bag soon. Let's just open. Ooh, we got some masks going on. Actually, I have 3 masks. These are by the Cream Shop, maybe Creme Shop, because of the little accents. They're limited edition. So the first one, we got a clarifying peppermint cocoa sheet mask. I don't think I've used this brand before. I do like sheet masks. The brand that I use a lot is Tony Moly. I'm interested to see how these are. Oh, look at the cute little snowman. We got the Let It Glow, and it might be Korean skincare. And then we have the Oh Dear detoxifying lemon sheet masks. These masks look pretty straightforward on using. You cleanse and apply, then leave on for 20 minutes and you take it off. And just as an instruction and a good tip, you don't want to wash off the excess. I know it might feel a lot, like your face is just too damp, but let your face absorb it in and then proceed with the rest of your skincare routine. I love masks, and sheet masks make it so much easier because I'll be doing a mask at night when I'll be editing or I'm reading a book, and the last thing I want to do is to get up again. So sheet masks make it really nice and convenient. You just put it on, do whatever you're doing, and I have a trash can next to my bed, so I just rip off the mask and just let it soak up the nutrients. I know I should probably, complete my skincare routine afterwards, but sometimes it happens. I'm sorry, I know. I'm such an advocate for skincare routine, but I have my flaws too. I'll be the first to admit that. Here is the bag. I really like the sequins. Actually, it's cute. Ta-da! Be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. I really like that. I'm gonna probably hang it up in here somewhere. Dang it. Okay, so I was trying to be productive and I applied my foundation before I started filming, and I did not realize I was going to be receiving a Benefit Professional. I'm already a huge fan of this primer. I use it a lot, actually. I haven't had a tube of this in a hot minute, so it's good to see it. Ipsy knew that I needed to replenish. I really like this primer. It fills in my pores really good. I just wish it was a little bit more hydrating since I do have dry skin, and with it being cold right now, I need like the most hydrating primer I can find. I really like how this works with some of the foundations I use. I have been really loving the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and then I'm also a huge fan of the Smashbox Studio Skin foundation. It's good to see this primer back. The next product, we have a brush by Farah. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Oh, but it looks like a nice crease brush, or just a blending brush, or maybe even for the outer V. I have not tried any of these brushes before, and to be honest, I haven't even heard of the brand. I can never have too many brushes, and this one I feel like I can get a bunch of uses out of. That's what I love about subscriptions like Ipsy. You get to be introduced to so many different brands and products, and you find new favorites. It helps branch out your options. So it looks like we have an eyeshadow by Catrice Cosmetics. Ooh, I love this purple shade. Let's do a swatch. It's called Luminous Lilac. Okay. Ooh, that's a really pretty shade. It looks like it's going to have some fallout between the swatch and what the pan looks like right now. I like that color a lot, yeah. Could also be like a really nice highlighter. I really like this shade a lot. When I swatched it, it did feel a little chalky, but it does seem to have pigment. Let's see how it looks on the eyes. I really do want to try this brush, but I don't think that would work best for this, just to get it all over the lid. But I kind of want to try this since I already goofed up on the first product. We're gonna go for it. It seemed to pick up on the brush really good. Kind of hard to apply because it's going a little everywhere. So this is a very fun shade. I think it would be fun to try it as like highlighter as well, just because I really love purples and that it would add a fun pop of purple on the cheekbones. I really like how this brush felt too. I don't think I would typically use this to apply shadow all over the lid, but for like the crease or like the outer V, I'm excited to play with this a little bit more just to see, just to get it all over the lid. It did good. Just for me, it looks a little all over the place, like over here and too far in. It's okay. It was a good first go around. So the next product, we have a highlighter by the brand Nomad. I haven't heard of this brand either. Oops, well, destroying the box. That's one way of getting your product out. Oh, look at those little tiny pans. We are all for purple in December. Let's see how it swatches next to the Catrice eyeshadow. I really liked how buttery this highlighter felt. Let's just put it right here. Ooh. Yes, I really liked how that swatched too. It does have some flakes from the swatch, but it'll be okay. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe E61 for this highlighter. I don't have blush or bronzer on, so we're just gonna add it. It's pretty. This is how I would hope that the Catrice eyeshadow would show up. I think in sunlight, this would be stunning. I think this is a really fun highlighter shade. I really like that. I'm really sad that the pan is really small, but I love this. I want to see what other colors they have in the highlighter and just other products in general. Typically at Ipsy, you get about 5 deluxe to full-size products. The brush and the masks would be my full-size products. And then the primer, eyeshadow, and highlighter would be my deluxe sizes. But for December, I guess for, you know, the holiday season, they decided to add a 6th product. And this is the Runaway Red Frozen Lipstick. I have not heard of this before, but let's just open it and see. I'm excited because it's a lipstick. Oh, okay, that's interesting. So it's gold and now it's red. Let's swatch and see. Ooh, that was super creamy. Maybe the gold is just for show. Okay, I know it's called a frozen lipstick, but it kind of smells minty and there's like a tingle to it. And I'm not sure if it's supposed to. So now that I'm reading the back, it is a high shine lipstick with a touch of shimmer. It is to attract the eye, featuring a dash of mint and a subtle tingle for a perfectly hash-worthy pout. I was a little nervous because I do sometimes have reactions to some lip products. Typically it's in like the plumper glosses or lipsticks, and I was afraid I was starting to have that reaction, but I'm a little less concerned reading that it does tingle and I'm not crazy that it smells like mint. I really like this shade. It feels super creamy, so I feel like it's going to transfer everywhere. I kind of feel like I have like a clown look going on because I don't have eyeliner and I only have like random beams of highlight on my cheekbones and then bright red lips, so it's not like the greatest look in the world. I'm pretty pleased with my Ipsy for this month. I think I'm most excited for the masks because I have not tried them yet and I'm a huge skincare junkie, and I was really impressed with this brush and the Nomad highlighter as well. I'm already a huge fan of the Benefit primer. The Catrice eyeshadow is the 2nd product by Catrice I have tried. I do want to try it maybe with some MAC Fix to see if it gives a more emphasized look on the eyelids. I think the lipstick has a very unique concept to it with like the look, how it has like that gold shimmer on the outside, and then the tingle. I don't know what the purpose of the tingle is. It's not my favorite because I start to freak out when I have tingles. This concludes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up if you like Ipsy or any of the amazing brands I received in my bag. Leave me a comment below which one was your favorite product and which product you got in your Ipsy. Please make sure you subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next video.